Hi, my name is Sonali and this is Translate.Video. Today I'm going to show you how you can add music to your Snapchat stories and spotlights. So on Snapchat I'm going to show you how you can add music to your spotlight and also to your stories. So let's just select this. Go to camera roll, select the video, click on this down arrow, and you can mute the video if you want. Click on the music, and here you can find different music. Let's search for a song. And you can listen to the snippet of a music from here. Select it. You can add it to your spotlight and you can add description and everything, and you can also add it to your story if you want, or you can simply just add it to your story. But if you want to add your own custom music or some music that you're not able to find in the library of Snapchat, I will show you how you can add music using a tool called Translate.Video. You can start by clicking here and uploading your file. Now click on proceed. Write down the title, write down the source language, so whatever language your video is in originally, and the target language, whatever language you want to translate your video to. So as our tool is a video translation tool, so you have to select all these initial parameters. Now just click on translate. Now the video has been uploaded. So if you want to listen to the original, and you can also listen to the translated version as well, but in you post, if you want to put in your original video and you want to put music on your original video, you can just toggle this to play English. So this will play your original video. So what you can do is you can go to audio. We have a library of music that you can go through. So we have hip hop, ambient, epic, and you can listen to the demo of the audios from here. Or if you don't want to choose the audios that are already there in the library, you can just go to upload. So just click here, upload your file, once the audio is uploaded, it will get automatically updated in your video, and you can just play it, and this is how it comes out. And if you want, just click on export, select the language where you put in the audio, and we have put this in the original file, so just select that, select the resolution, and you can just export the file from here. So this is how easily you can add any music to your post without any hassle. And that's how you can add any music, even your custom music, to Snapchat stories and spotlight using Translate.Video. So if you like the video, press the like button, and if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below. And do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.